No graphics card? No problem. If you're looking for an advanced face swapping tool that can run smoothly even on a CPU-based system, then you're going to want to check out FaceFusion 3.8.2. And this is not just another basic face swap tool. FaceFusion comes packed with powerful features like face enhancers, lip sync, age changing, background removal, and much more. But the best part is its OpenVINO support, which can help you take advantage of your CPU's performance and get much better AI processing without relying entirely on a dedicated graphics card. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install FaceFusion 3.8.2 with OpenVINO support and get it running on your system. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss the latest AI tools and tutorials. Let's get started and install FaceFusion 2.8.2 with OpenVINO support. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of FaceFusion. You can read everything you need to know about this tool from main page. To install locally with OpenVINO support, you need Python 3.11.0, ffmpeg, visualstudio, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist you can watch and install these dependencies easily. To install on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to have FaceFusion installed in and type cmd in path of folder. A new command prompt window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone FaceFusion. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.11. Activate venv with activation code. Now install Torch Audio and Torch Vision. Once Torch installed, go inside main folder and open requirements file. Remove ONX runtime and change CPI version, then save requirements file. Now in command window, run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, go to main page of OpenVINO and copy OpenVINO installation code. Paste in command window to install OpenVINO. Now install ONX runtime OpenVINO. Finally, run main code. This will download models running it first time. Once all models downloaded, you will see a local URL. Copy it with Ctrl+C and paste in any browser. This will launch FaceFusion 3.8.2. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Double-click this run file and use FaceFusion anytime you want. Using this is very easy. Upload face picture and target picture. Wait until you see face swap preview. When you see preview at the bottom, click Start. And that's it for this video. I hope this guide helped you install FaceFusion 3.8.2 with OpenVINO support and get the most out of your CPU. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.